one is steamed rice. This one Sileti traditional yakni biryani. This one vegetable fried rice. It's garlic naan. Its aroma just wow. Korean crispy fried chicken.
Hello, chef.
Stir fry pad thai noodles. This is our traditional foods and Rui fish do piazza. Another game, beef kalabuna. Just aroma, wow. This Ghani Bangano show this one dal achari, Bangali dal chala jome na. So on starter side, Thai thick soup, shrimp bisque soup, दो टाइप का प्रॉब्लम है एपिटाइजर हो गया चिकन वंटन दे होममेड पिकल আমাদের সৌরভ মামা বানায় চিলি পিকল দে কলিফ্লাওয়ার রাডিশ তারপর আছে ক্যারট এখানে জার্মান পটেটো সালাদ দে ট্র্যাডিশনাল বাংলা সালাদ মিক্স সালাদ দে কোলকাট beef salad, this one potato salad, American potato salad, this one shooter, all over chicken cashew nut salad, pineapple salad, this one Russian salad, this is rice noodle salad. Another game. This is traditional Japanese food. This sushi. Yeah, sushi nigari, maki, temaki. Different type of sauce. Wasabi paste. Wow. Soya sauce. It's on shooter, beetroot shooter. One of the healthier version. Cut salad. This is chicken terrine. Also fresh. Carving this one. This is chef art. Chef Sabbir. Make this one all over carving. Chef Sabbir and Chef Shourab. This is food display. Another shooter, apple and chili gazpacho. This one whole coral fish. This is cold variation. This another cold cut, French dressing, prawn tower, cheese board. This one bacon. Vietnamese lemongrass fish looks like wow. This one assorted wheat sorted vegetable, Leonese potato. This one eggplant achari. Another game. This one dal makhani. Stay tuned. This one bakery display and homemade lokshi pita. This one Gazipur traditional food. Look like delicious, crunchy and crispy. Taste wow. Assorted French pastry, fruit jello, mousse, different type of dessert. The sweet lovers all over coming. Mahalabia, whole cake, this one floating Iceland. This one look close, Iceland. This one another traditional patisapra pita, French pastry, fruit salad, the jam roll, sponge sweets, gulab jamun, cream caramel, fruit jello, and red velvet cake, New Year theme.